You think you know space? Think again. We all know about planets and stars, but today, I'm going to show you 10 things about our universe that are so insane, they sound like they're from a science fiction movie, but every single one of them is real. I've spent days digging up the absolute craziest, most mind-blowing space secrets that most people have never even heard of. We're starting with something strange, but trust me, these facts get more and more shocking as we go. The last one will literally change how you see reality itself, so you are not going to want to miss a single second of this video. I challenge you to make it to the end without having your mind completely blown. I've put a ton of work into this, and I promise it's worth it. We've got some insane visuals lined up to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Nebulae spinning galaxies, artists' impressions of exoplanets, black holes, and I've even added some background music to build the suspense. It's going to be an epic journey through the weirdest corners of the cosmos. Seriously, you will not guess what number 7 is. It's my personal favorite, and it is absolutely nuts. For all my international viewers, don't worry, I got you covered. We have English subtitles available so you can follow along with every crazy detail. Now grab a snack, get comfortable, because we are about to dive into the 10 most unbelievable facts about space. Are you ready? Let's go. Tiny signals from across the universe are rewriting the rules of physics, and suddenly, bam! A flash of radio waves, brighter than 1 billion suns, appears for less than 1,000th of a second, and then vanishes. This isn't science fiction, this is a fast radio burst, or FRB. We are detecting these things coming from billions of light years away, and for the longest time, we had absolutely no idea what was causing them. Think about the sheer power needed to create a signal like that. Scientists have thrown out all kinds of theories, from colliding neutron stars to advanced alien civilizations. But then, everything changed. We found one that repeated. We've traced some FRBs to magnetars, neutron stars with mind-bending magnetic fields. Starquakes could be launching these bursts across the cosmos. But not all FRBs fit the magnetar story, leaving room for stranger explanations. And believe it or not, number 9 connects to this in a wild way. Keep watching. Earth isn't the only rocky world that used to be magnetic. We take our planet's magnetic field for granted, a shield that protects us from solar radiation and makes compasses work. But our moon once had its own magnetic field, possibly stronger than Earth's is today. Apollo rocks were magnetized, like time capsules preserving a field that no longer exists. A molten, convecting, conducting core likely powered a lunar dynamo. As the small core cooled and solidified, the magnetic field died away. Imagine a young moon, with an invisible force field, a dynamic world turned quiet. Understanding its rise and fall helps us decode the evolution of worlds. There are planets with no star, wandering the galaxy in absolute darkness. Astronomers think there could be billions, maybe trillions of them. Some are kicked out during chaotic formation, others form like small failed stars. They seem frozen and dead, but the inside can tell a different story. Internal heat could maintain liquid oceans beneath miles of ice. Where there's water and energy, life is possible, even without sunlight. This completely redefines what a habitable world can be. On Neptune and Uranus, it might literally rain diamonds. Deep inside, pressure and heat break methane. Freed carbon crystallizes into diamond. Denser than their surroundings, diamond crystals rain down for ages. Lab experiments reproduce the effect. Proof the process is real. Over time, they could form a thick, glittering layer, even a diamond ocean. Planets can be natural diamond factories, way stranger than we imagined. How about a world where it rains molten glass? So close to its star that rock vaporizes into a silicate atmosphere. It's literally boiling away, trailing a comet-like plume we can detect. Vapor blown to the night side cools and falls as glass particles. Supersonic winds carry abrasive glass, a hellish weather system, a brutal loop, vaporized by day, glass coated by night. Gravity can slow time, and we've measured it. It's gravitational time dilation, predicted by Einstein. Two identical clocks tick differently. Higher altitude runs a tiny bit faster. Without relativity corrections, GPS would be off by miles. Even astronauts age slightly slower. Time is not constant. Approach a black hole and the effect becomes extreme. And some black holes do something even weirder. They beat like a heart. Some black holes emit a regular repeating pulse of X-rays, a cosmic heartbeat. first seen in GRS 1915 plus 105, about 35,000 light-years away. A 12-solar mass black hole feeds from a nearby star, forming a searing accretion disk. Instead of steady light, it rises and falls every 50-100 seconds. Radiation pushes gas out, cools, pressure drops, gravity refills, pulse, repeats, like a stethoscope for black holes, revealing edge-of-horizon physics. Astronauts report a distinct smell after spacewalks, like seared steak. You can't smell vacuum, but residues cling to gear and react in air. They describe metallic welding-like fumes, even burnt gunpowder. High-energy particles and PAHs from space react with oxygen, creating aromas. These same compounds exist in nebulae, comets, and dust, cosmic BBQ chemistry. Even empty space is a thin soup of particles, radiation, and complex molecules. Beneath frozen crusts may lie oceans as big as Earth's. We have evidence here at home: Europa, Enceladus, Ganymede. Europa's plumes shoot hundreds of kilometers, direct water evidence. Cassini tasted salt, silica, and complex organics from a tidally heated ocean. Hydrothermal vents could power life, like Earth's deep oceans. Europa may hold twice Earth's liquid water. Ganymedes is layered in ice. Top targets for life. Icy moons now. And maybe rogue worlds too. The cosmos should have equal antimatter, but it vanished. Perfect balance would leave only light, no stars, no us. Yet for every billion pairs that annihilated, one matter particle survived. Everything you see is that tiny surplus. A cosmic rounding error. We call it baryon asymmetry, a profound gap in physics. Colliders hunt differences that could reveal new forces or particles. It's the ultimate cosmic mystery. Solving it may rewrite reality. Those were 10 space secrets that prove the universe is weirder than fiction. Planets where it rains diamonds, black holes with a heartbeat, the mystery of our own existence, FRBs, moon's magnetism, rogue planets. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It means the world to me.